Most gardeners are patient. You plant a seed, build a compost pile, and wait, sometimes for months. But what if you could skip the wait and get compost benefits in just 3 days? The Amish have a method that does exactly that. Instead of waiting for compost to break down, they focus on the living microbes that make it happen. These microbes are the real magic, tiny workers that transform waste into plant food. The Amish figured out how to brew up a batch of these helpers on demand. It's a simple, fast hack-turn garden waste into a powerful growth booster. Forget months of turning piles. Work smarter by cultivating this invisible army. Your soil isn't just dirt, it's alive with bacteria and fungi that feed and protect your plants. Without them, soil is lifeless, no matter how much fertilizer you add. This is the foundation of a thriving garden. Ready to learn the shortcut? Let's dig in. Think of soil as an underground factory run by microbes. When you add compost, you're feeding these workers, not just your plants. Chemical fertilizers are like fast food, quick, but they don't build long-term health. Microbes break down organic matter, create soil structure, and help roots absorb water and nutrients. Healthy soil is fluffy, absorbent, and full of life. Microbes also protect plants by outcompeting disease-causing organisms. Chemical fungicides wipe out good and bad microbes alike. The real goal? Build a thriving microbial community. When you do, plants get what they need, soil improves, and disease risk drops. This is the secret chemical companies don't want you to know. The Amish work with nature, not against it. Let's see how they do it. Here's how to brew your own microbial tea in 3 days. Grab a 5-gallon bucket and fill it 2/3 with fresh green material, like weeds or grass clippings. Use non-chlorinated water, let tap water sit out or use rainwater to cover the greens. Add a small handful of sugar or a splash of molasses. This jump-starts the microbes. Stir to dissolve the sugar. Cover loosely, not airtight, to let gases escape, and keep bugs out. Place the bucket in a warm, sunny spot. In a day or two, you'll see bubbles and smell a sweet fermented scent. That's the microbes multiplying. After 3 days, your microbial tea is ready. No turning piles, no waiting months. Just a simple, living brew. This is the Amish shortcut to healthy soil. Next, let's put it to use. Here's how. After 3 days, your garden tea is ready. Earthy, alive, and potent. Strain out the solids, then dilute the tea. 1 part tea to 10 parts water. Use a watering can to drench the soil around your plants. You're not just feeding them, you're inoculating the soil with beneficial microbes. Apply weekly and watch your plants grow stronger, greener, and more resilient. These microbes stick around, improving soil structure and unlocking nutrients. You're recycling garden waste and building a closed-loop system. It's simple, cheap, and effective. No fancy equipment or chemicals needed, just a bucket, some weeds, water, and sugar. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest. Get your hands dirty, the results will speak for themselves. Your garden will thank you.